Oh, Doug just put a hurting on Langdon on the starting line, and score one for Doug. 377.6 at 333 miles an hour. Kalitta, 23 Skidoo off the starting line, 44 light to the 81 of Langdon, and that was all she wrote.
Well, in a rematch of the Maryland final just a few days ago, Doug Kalitta gets the better of Shawn Langdon this time to win the Mission Foods Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge. Angel Sempay, the brand ambassador for Mission Foods, puts a medallion around your neck, makes it official. You've now got your third win of the season so far, Doug. Tell me about the role that you and this team are on.
Yeah, running Shawn, you never can tell what we're, we're always throwing down, so, or Alan with his tune-up and just trying to get all we can get out of it. But, yeah, these Mission Food races, it's a big deal for us on Saturday. We appreciate everything they do for us. Yeah, we're just happy to be going rounds more than anything. And Alan and this whole Mac Tools team, we're just digging, trying to keep up with the Kalitta air machine for sure.
Jordan Vandergriff is running off into the afternoon. 391.3 wins the Mission Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge and snags the #1 qualifying spot at the last possible second. A 395 for Caps, but a blazing 391.3 for Jordan Vandergriff. Gets him the bonus points, gets him the trophy, and sends both of his teammates packing one spot back.
For the second time this year, Jordan Vandergriff is your Mission Foods Too Fast, Too Tasty winner. In funny car, Angel Sempay gives him the congratulatory hug as well as the medal. And Jordan, that was done in spectacular fashion. Chris Cunningham had a lot of guts to go out there after spinning the tires in the last session to put that kind of number and go #1 for the first time in your career. Yeah. That smile, I couldn't wipe it off if I wanted to.
Yeah, this #1, it means something to me. I think it's been #1 qualifier has been something that I've wanted my entire life, really, and it just felt like it was just so unattainable. I got to win before I got this #1 qualifier, but more importantly, we got this tasty win too, and that's thanks to Chris Cunningham and Jason Bunker. There were a lot of questions coming into this year about how this Cornwall Quality Tools was going to perform, and those guys picked up right where I left off. So it's an honor for me to drive this race car. Thank you to my boys. Thank you to Bandero, Peak, Speedmaster, Bernie's, HendrickCars.com, and Chevy. We're going into race day #1 with a medal.
Got a little something for you, buddy. Put that on.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Coughlin, 0.04 of a second. Could he hole shot both of these guys out of existence? Finish line stripe, it is going to be Anderson by 13 inches. He overpowered him.
Greg Anderson picks up his second Mission Foods Too Fast, Too Tasty victory in Pro Stock this year. Angel Sempay, brand ambassador for Mission Foods, gives him that medal. And that was a close one, Greg. 3/1000ths of a second at the stripe. Did you think you got him?
It felt like a really nice run, Bruno. I'm always scared to death to look over because afraid to see I'm behind. And apparently I was behind. So thank God for the KB Titan horsepower. It drove around him. Great drag race, and that's the way Pro Stock should be. So another great day. We got a little lobster last night. Got some taco meat tonight. So all's good. Now we're going into day 3 on a little bit of momentum. So Hendrick cars are looking good, and see what tomorrow brings.
And for the 8th time this season, the 5th time this season, 8 races, Greg Anderson is your #1 qualifier.